So I'm going to make a video of doing a blind contour drawing of this onion here. So what you want to do is you want to look at the object that you're going to be drawing, but not look at your paper. So to avoid looking at my paper, I'm actually going to cover my hand with a piece of paper so that I won't cheat. And I'm going to draw my onion. Now I'm going to also look at different details besides just the general contour of the form. I'm not going to just look at the circle on the outside. I'm going to look at all the interesting details, such as like these little lines here and that little thing. I picked up my hand, so now I have no idea where I'm at. So there it is. There's my blind onion. I'm going to move the onion and try again. I'm trying to look at the details, such as the peeled onion skin. Go back around. There's a second one. Can you tell it's an onion? Maybe not. That's okay. I don't care. So, next one. We're going to do this one. And this is supposed to train you to look. You're supposed to just really be working on looking and getting your hand to be in tune with the page. So it's a great warm-up exercise, actually. That is really cool. I like that drawing, actually. I don't know what it is. Looks like a creature, tomato creature. I don't know, but I think it's cool. So I'm going to move it around again. But yeah, it's a warm-up exercise. I used to do it a lot with my figure drawing students and to get them warmed up, so that they, would be able to focus. It's like when you do yoga and they have you like say namaste in the beginning or stretch in the very beginning. It's a focusing exercise. The attempt is to get you to clear your mind and really look at something. Really, really look. Just clear your mind and stare at something and explore that thing. Because how well you draw really depends on how well you are looking, if you're drawing from life. If you wanted something detailed drawn from life, then that's what you got. If you're not drawing from life, then it doesn't, I guess, really matter. If you're drawing from your imagination is about as good as what you know and what's stored in your memories, which is based on looking at things, at the world. So, look. These are 5 drawings. I'm going to write in here 5 blind contour onions. And these are done. Put your pencil in your photo, take a picture of that, and that's it. Thank you.